Hello and welcome to Inside China Today. I'm Tara Sunderland and here are some of the stories that we're following for Thursday, August 20th. Floods caused the largest dispatch of troops since 1949. The former Beijing mayor's appeal is denied, and Hong Kong's chief executive warns economic woes will last well into next year. Unrelenting flooding resulted in the largest dispatch of Chinese troops since 1949, the country's top general said on Thursday. Estimates indicate that 1 million People's Liberation Army troops and paramilitary personnel have been sent to boost flood defense efforts in the northeast. The city of Harbin is the latest industrial center hit by flooding. Approximately 100 meters of dikes within the city's limits are weakened, an official said, but there are plans to destroy more dikes to spare the city if the situation worsens. Official statistics claim 2,000 people have died, although Chinese journalists say in private that the number is closer to 10,000. The appeal of convicted former Beijing Mayor Chen Shitong was turned down by China's Supreme People's Court on Thursday. Chen was sentenced to 16 years for corruption and dereliction of duty in late July by the Lower Beijing People's High Court. Charges included misappropriation of millions of dollars in public funds and acceptance of expensive illegal gifts. Chen's sentence was protested by dissidents who claimed that the sentence was too light for the amount of money involved. Chen is considered to be one of the masterminds behind the 1989 crackdown on pro-democracy demonstrators in Tiananmen Square. China's Association for Relations Across the Taiwan Straits contacted its Taiwanese counterpart on Wednesday to offer new guidelines for the visit of Taiwan's Ku Chen-fu. The letter sent to Taiwan's Straits Exchange Foundation proposed September 15th through the 21st and October 12th through the 18th as possible dates for Ku's visit. Beijing and Shanghai were suggested as possible locations for the talks. Earlier preliminary negotiations on trip details failed to yield an agreement. Beijing wants to use the talks as a springboard for reunification with negotiations with the island. Taipei has stressed that the talks should be non-political. Hong Kong's chief executive Tung Chee-hwa on Thursday said the territory's economic woes would continue well beyond 1999. At a luncheon address, Tung said that second quarter gross domestic product would be negative and that third and fourth quarter GDP would be, quote, very, very difficult. Tung defended the Hong Kong US dollar peg, adding that unpegging the territory's currency would lead to capital flight and an increased interest rates. The government would continue to intervene in the stock market as long as foreign currency speculators attacked it with the Hong Kong dollar, Tung added. And that's Inside China Today. For the European Internet Network, I'm Tara Sunderland.